Hello, everyone. I'm just going to tag some friends here while we wait for 3 people to join. We're going to be doing some drippy drips. Just tagging people, so if you're here, say, I'm here, I'm here, I'm here. Let me know you're here. You know the rules. I wait till we get 3 people on so I can start. We've got 2. Oh, we've got 3. Okay. All right, you guys. So, sorry, it was hair washing day, and then we went to the lake, and so my hair is a little crazy, but this is what my hair looks like naturally, so, like, it's this curly. So, sorry! You're just gonna have to deal with my au naturel curl here. Okay, so we are going to put some drips with the Tulip Slick paint on our cup that we made at the beginning of the month. This was our first Tumbler tutorial we did this month. It's got 2 or 1 layers of epoxy. We're going to put the drips on it. And then we're going to sprinkle. And I'm actually going to try something new. I'm going to put drips on the top and the bottom. Because I'm wild, you guys. I'm wild. Okay. So, this is really easy and really fast. We're going to take our Tulip Slick paint, okay? And we're just going to go along the edge here. Can you guys see? Let me just turn this way. And I'm actually going to use a lot. Like more than what I normally would do. Because I want these drips to not only be chunky, but I want them to go down far. I know that people use their epoxy. I literally can never figure out the epoxy method for drips. Either it's too thin and it goes all the way down my cup. Okay, watch. Now that I have it all the way around, turn you down, and I just go like this. How cute is that? So I wanted my drips to go down far, so that's why I used a lot. And then, I actually don't think I want to do drips going up. I changed my mind. And now, I'm going to put some of these on. Let me get a cup. Or actually, I'm just going to use this mold, because I want to be able to see what I've got sprinkle-wise. So now, okay, my tablet, I'm sure you guys are commenting. Because my phone or my tablet is not showing comments again. Let me jump on just to make sure. Yep, right there. Hey Jenny. Hey Nene. Hey Sheila. Hey Shannon. Hey Crystal. sorry, you guys. My tablet does not want to show me comments. I don't know why. So I'm going to have it up on my phone down here. So now I'm going to start with the flags. And I'm just going to put them all over. This is the Clay Sprinkles 4th of July, is what they're called. Oh, poop, I put that one upside down. Tons of people are having the same problem. No comments on their lives. Okay, that makes me feel better. Thank you, Deidre. Because it happened to me last night too, and I was like, hello, are you guys here? And then I went on my phone, and there was tons of comments, so... Have you guys made any 4th of July cups yet? Since it's next week. My goal, poop. My goal this weekend is to finish them all up. All the cups that I've started and post them for sale. Or do giveaway or something. Okay. Oh, there's one more flag. Alright, so now I'm going to do my stars. Oh my gosh. This little sucker. I've made entirely too many 4th of July cups. So I'm going to have like a ready to ship collection drop. I've never done that before, but I have so many. I'll probably do like a flash sale on my Instagram. It's something with TikTok for the past 2 days. Oh, TikTok is the same thing, no comments? Honestly, I've been slacking on TikTok. I've been slacking on all my social media lately. I'm just feeling really discouraged with it. I don't know about you guys, but, you know, I post and I comment and I interact, and I'm still not getting, like, you know, the following count or the engagement on my post that I would like. So I'm kind of over it. Like, why am I trying so hard? No one even cares. Does anyone love me? And then, like, I talk to people and they're like, I haven't seen your post in forever. I'm like, well, I post every day at the same time, 9 o'clock. Because that's what they tell you to do. I think it's the constant changes. I know, and it's so frustrating. Like, I don't understand why they need to continuously change it on us. Hey, Leslie. Sorry, you guys, if I don't respond quickly, it's because the comments are on my phone. Okay, so look at that. And then once I kind of go through the whole thing, I did all the colors. Kind of see where there's like a space that's missing some. But look at how cute. And I hate every change. Each one makes it worse, I know. Look how cute that is. So this will take about fully 2 days to cure. Usually about 24 hours. It's super hot in my garage, so it probably will take about 24 hours. But how cute is that? I love a good drip. Does anyone have any questions? Thank you, Sheila. Thank you, Donna. I'm making a snow globe, but this glitter does not want to go down. It's been like 4 days of me shaking it. I'm like super over it. Thank you, Leslie. Okay, does anyone have any questions? Comments, concerns? Don't forget, my name is Katie from Wild Heart Shop. That's my discount code on puzzle tumblers. I'm just going to wait a little, see if anyone has any questions about the drip or... I bought the magical glue today to do a snow globe. Oh, that's so cool. I have never used that magical liquid, so I have no idea how... I didn't even know about that. I'm going to be honest. I had never heard about that. So that is very cool. It's a really cool idea. Why my glitter won't go down. Okay, if no one has any more questions or anything, I am going to skedaddle. I told you guys this was going to be a quick one. These drips are super fast. Anyone have anything they want to tell me? All right, guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this quick tutorial on how to do drips using the tulip slick paint. And I hope you guys have a wonderful day. All right, bye.